Hi everyone, it's Rudy, the technical support of IMJ. Today we learn about the Spartan Serie, the 1528, how to use it and everything. So before that, we need to unbox it first. So let's go. This is a filter for the water inlet. This one is the remote control. This is gloves, funnel. This one is for the exhaust, the engine exhaust. A towel to clean the hose. And this is antenna, nozzles, and some utility screwdriver, some joints and everything. Water inlet hose. Let's learn where to add engine oil, pump oil, and then the gearbox oil. For the engine oil, it's here, the engine is here, so we need to open here, and then this is the engine, the Isuzu engine, it's diesel. So open here, and then you add the 10W50. This is the oil dipstick, so we'll take it out. So when adding oil, you can add until the second dot, then it's okay. The pump and the gearbox, we add the same type of oil, the 80W90. So you open here for the pump, you add oil. This is where to check the level. You just add until the red dot, then it's okay. Don't make it full. The gearbox also is the same. You open on top here, you also add the same type of oil, 80W90. This is the level. You just add half of it, then it's okay. Don't make it full. This is the fuel tank. So since it's diesel, you add diesel inside, then it's okay. This is why you add the antifreeze. You just open here and then you add antifreeze. So the Spartan Serie 1528 has two hoses that you can use, and this is the control, but this is the main control. Here you can choose which hose you want to use. This one is the third hose, this one is the second one, that one is the first one. So if you want to use the first one, you just turn here, the second one, and then the third one, you use this one to release and retract the hose manually. This is the control panel, and here you can check the pressure, PSI or bar. You just choose pressing the blue button. And here you can check the water level. Here you can check the machine temperature, and this is the battery. And here you have the key ignition start button. This one, as we just talk about it, it's to control the hose, and this is the emergency stop button. And here it's to activate the water inlet pump. This is the manual RPM. You can increase the RPM here. This is the throttle, but it's electric, so no need to take care of it because it's open and close automatically. This here, it's all these vans, they are to control the three hoses, which one you want to use. For example, this way we'll be using the big one, and then if you want to use those small ones, we do this. I close the big one, then I'll be using the big one there, that one, the small one. So if I want to use the smallest one, we just close like this, and then we turn. We'll be using the small one there. So this is for the second hose, which is the one up there. Since all of them, they don't support the same pressure and the same water flow, so you can use this one to regulate the pressure for the hose up there. And then this one is for the second hose down there, so you can use this one also to regulate the pressure for the second one. This is the electric water valve, so you don't have to use it manually because you might damage it. Just you need to use the remote control. And then this is to activate the battery. I turn it on. Now it's on. Okay, now it's on. This is the pressure gauge. This one here, this one is to release water from the water tank, and this one it's the water inlet. You will connect the water inlet hose here to your faucet, and then you just keep it connected. You open the faucet. It has a pump inside there, so whenever the water tank doesn't have enough water anymore, it will automatically send water inside the water tank. So this one it's for overflow, like maybe the water tank is overflowing, so the excess water will come out from here. This is where we install the battery. So you just open here, and then you install the battery. Make sure the positive and negative pole, then you close it again, and then it's fine. Now let's learn how to start the machine. The machine actually has two modes. We can start it either manually or using the remote control. So first of all, we learn how to start it manually. This is the water tank. Before starting the machine, you need to make sure that you have water, because if there is no water, the water sensor will detect it and the engine won't start at all. So always make sure that you have one. So now we need to activate the battery. Now it's on, and then to start it manually, this is the key. So we just turn the key once, and then the second time we maintain. Now the engine is running, and then we stop. This is our remote control. So here you start and stop the engine, release and retract the hose, increase and decrease the RPM, open and close the electric valve, turn on the remote control. When using the remote control, you need to make sure that the key is totally off, not like this, because if it's like this, you'll be able to use the remote control but not entirely. So we keep it like this, and then we press this button once, second. We now open the electric valve, green button here. This is the electric valve. We can increase a bit. We decrease. And then stop, close the electric valve. Stop the engine. This was the full review of the Spartan Serie 1508. So if you have any question, you can ask us, then we will reply.